While playing soccer, a psychopath appears and says to you in a Chris Hemsworth kind of voice, well, the ball might go through the wall. You'll surely dodge his words like you dodge the new iPhone release. But all of a sudden, a wormhole appears. The ball goes through the wormhole on the wall and comes out from the other end. You might be thinking, where did that wormhole come from? However, for the ball, it might happen only once in like a trillion attempts to hit the wall. What I mean is that the probability for the ball to occur at the other end is kind of low, like close to zero. But wait a minute, that's not true for something very small, like an alpha particles. With a grandma level intuition, we might be able to assume that most of the space inside an atom is empty. This means that smaller particles can be able to go through an atom most of the time, like this alpha particle, which goes through the thin barrier and transforms itself into a sigma particle. Huh, just kidding. Nothing like that happens. It remains the same. Yeah, much of the space inside that thing is just empty. So, the smaller you get, better is the chance that you might go through an atom. Like, for example, electrons, alpha particles, and small atoms, like the hydrogen atom. So if you throw a ball on a wall, thinking it will be a lucky day for you to get a Nobel Prize, then, most probably, haha, you're mistaken. It's beyond probabilistic comprehension. Nonetheless, this phenomenon has immense importance in many fields of science, ranging from nuclear fusion, quantum tunneling diodes, and modern-day circuits. So the man's words aren't completely true, but also not necessarily false. Shh, bring an electron ball.